So mayong adlaw mga physics enthusiasts and lovers. So karon na natin problem sa first law of thermodynamics and internal energy. So karon, a gas in a cylinder expands from a volume of 0.110 cubic meter to 0.320 cubic meter. Heat flows into the gas just rapidly enough to keep the pressure constant at 1.65 times 10 to the power 5 Pascal. So during the expansion, the total heat added is 1.15 times 10 to the power 5 joule. So karon, kung saan na formula itong gamitin sa pag-analyze ng problem. So karon, magamit na ito ang first law of thermodynamics. So change of U, the solution is just change of U is equal to Q minus W. So ang first na ito problem is to find the work done by the gas. So since ang atong Q or the heat added is just 1, ga-enter man siya sa system. So positive 1.15 times 10 to the power 5 joule. So kanina problem, the constant ng pressure, ma-express na to ang work as the work is equal to pressure times the change of volume. So now we can solve. Mag-solve na nato ang problem 1 or the problem A. So the work done by the gas. The work can be expressed as pressure times the change of volume. Since pressure is constant, we have 1.65 times 10 to the power of 5 Pascal times the change of volume, which is 0.320 cubic meter minus 0.110 cubic meter. So just use your calculator to find the answer. So 1.65 times 10 to the power of 5 Pascal and the change of volume, which is 0.320 minus 110. So we have the work is equal to 34,650 joule. So the work done by the gas is equal to 34,650 joule. So the next problem is find the change in internal energy of the gas. So karon magamit na nato ang first law of thermodynamics to find the change of internal energy. So by just equation, change of U or change of internal energy is equal to the Q for the heat added minus the work done. So our heat added is 1.15 times 10 to the power of 5 joule minus the work done by the gas is equal to 34,650 joule. So we have 1.15 times 10 to the power of 5 joule minus 34,650. So we have the change of internal energy, which is equal to 80,350 joule. So itong isang heat up, the work done by the gas is equal to 34,650 joule, and the change in internal energy, which is Q minus the work done, is equal to change of Q is equal to 80,350 joule. So we find answers. So that's all. Thank you.